Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Vanguard app for ETFs and index funds, complete guide step by step clearly. To download the Vanguard app for ETFs and index funds, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store specific to your device. For iPhone users, that will be the Apple App Store. For Android users, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar of the App Store, type Vanguard. Press the search button to initiate the search. Look for the official Vanguard app in the search results. It should display the Vanguard logo prominently. Once you locate the app, tap on it to view more details. Check the app's ratings and reviews to ensure it meets your expectations. Next, locate the download button. For iPhone, it will say Get. For Android, it will say Install. Tap the download button to begin the installation process. Wait a moment as the app downloads and installs on your device. Once the installation is complete, you will see an option that says Open. Tap Open to launch the Vanguard app for the first time. You may need to grant the app permission to access certain features on your device. Follow any on-screen instructions, which may include setting up your profile. If you already have a Vanguard account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to Vanguard, follow the prompts to create a new account. Once logged in, take time to familiarize yourself with the app's layout. You will find options for browsing ETFs and index funds along with your investment portfolio. If you need assistance, make use of the help section within the app. Now you're ready to start exploring and investing with Vanguard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.